www.atreesurgeon.com. San Diego's finest expert tree service, specializing in tree removals, tree trimming, stump grinding and stump removal, excavating and hauling and grading. What I have to show here today is a really awesome piece of equipment. This is usually what you get when you hire us. State-of-the-art bucket truck, along with a massive chipper that can eat 15-inch logs within seconds. So let me give you a quick walk around. Check out all the YouTube videos and subscribe. We are going to be doing some prize giveaways here. This is the main number to call, 619-381-0763. Ask for Daniel. Just a really awesome truck. And now I get to show you our new piece of equipment, which is phenomenal. This thing is just a tank, man. It is a Vermeer BC 1500. And this thing is just a monster. I mean, the thing is ginormous. The tires look like they belong on a tank. Let me show you the inside feed here real quick. This is the new deal. This thing's brand new. We've had it for about a year actually. It has all the safety features, so you know that all the crews are safe. But wow, look at that. Dual roller feeders. This thing will just grab some brush and just eat it up nice and smooth. So yeah, be sure to watch all the tree videos, and we're going to be having a lot more special videos coming up here soon. So please subscribe and like and comment. But here it is, our international bucket truck, Forrest truck. So I appreciate you watching the video. Thanks a lot and have a great day.